Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the basics of polynomials, which we have in the Telangana State Board textbook, 10th class. First of all, let's understand what is a polynomial. A polynomial is an expression containing the sum of a finite number of terms of the form ax power n for a real number a, where a not equal to 0 and n is a whole number. So what does it mean? Let's we see. So let's take one example and let's try to understand the definition of the polynomial. It is an expression. It is an expression containing the sum of a finite number of terms. So it might be like this. Simply, we can take 2x. This is a polynomial in one term. And 1 by 3x minus 4. This is a polynomial. X square minus 3x plus 5. This is a polynomial. So these are a few examples of which are polynomial. And I will give you which are not polynomials. For example, 4 into x power 1 by 2. This is not a polynomial. Why means? If you look at the definition, here a is a real number and n is a whole number. A whole number in the sense, so the power of x can be 0 to infinity, anything, but it's not like a rational number. It should be a whole number. So here, if you look at this, 4 into x power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So that's why it is not a polynomial. And one more example, we can give 3x square plus 4 into x power minus 1 plus 5. So if you look at here, so this power is, we are having the negative, it's not a whole number. So this is also not a polynomial. So hope everyone understood this. So what is a polynomial means? Polynomial is an expression which contains, which follows, follow the following conditions. That means a should be a real number and n should be a whole number. So let's move to degree of a polynomial. What is meant by degree of a polynomial? For example, in the previous one, I took this examples 2x, okay, x square minus 3x plus 5, and let's take x cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 6. Like this, we will take different examples. So what is mean by degree of a polynomial means, if I'll assume this polynomial is nothing but some p of x, let's name for it, it's p of x. So the highest power of x in p of x, the highest power of x in p of x is called degree, is called the degree of that polynomial. So if you look at this, so here only we have one term. What is the power of this x? 1 we have, so the degree of this one is 1. So if you look at here we have 3 terms, but highest degree will be, here we have, so degree of this one is 2. So in this is the degree. So degree of this one is 3. So based on the degree, we have different types of polynomials. Those are linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials, biquadratic polynomials. Linear polynomial in the sense, this is the linear polynomial, 2x, or we can write as a 2x plus 3, 3x minus 4. So where the highest degree term we have as minus 1, highest degree as a 1. So those kind of polynomials are called linear polynomials. Quadratic polynomials means highest degree as 2. So here, if you look at this example, here the highest degree is 2. So for this degree is 1. So for this degree is 0. So highest degree is 2. So this is called a quadratic polynomial. So this also called a quadratic polynomial. So this is called cubic polynomial. And what is meant by biquadratic polynomial? So in a polynomial, if the highest degree term is 4, so like x power 3x power 4 minus 5x square plus 6. So this is called a biquadratic polynomial because here the highest degree is 4. So if you look at here, the cubic term is missing. Even though cubic term is missing, that is not a problem. We have to look into the what is the highest degree. So that highest degree is 4. So that's why this is called a biquadratic polynomial. This is called a biquadratic polynomial. Sorry. So now let's move on to the value of a polynomial. What is meant by value of a polynomial? So let's see a small example. If I'll take like p of x is equal to some x square minus 3x plus 2. So if I'll substitute x is equal to some 3, if I'll substitute some x is equal to 3, then I will get 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So which is 9 minus 9 plus 2, whose value is 2. So this is called value of this polynomial at x is equal to 3. So value of the polynomial always defined at a particular value of x. So what is meant by value of a polynomial? So in the given polynomial, if we are substituting some value for x, or in whichever the variables the given polynomial, so according to that, the value if you substitute, whatever will get the value of that polynomial, that is called value of the polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. A real number k is said to be zero of a polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. What is it mean? So let's see, p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So by substituting what value of x, the polynomial value becomes 0. So that value of x is called 0 of this polynomial. So for example, if I'll substitute x is equal to 2. So p of 2 is what? So it is 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. So that is nothing but 4 minus 10 plus 6. So which is 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So that's why we got the value of the polynomial as 0, right? So that's why x is equal to 2 is called 0 of this polynomial. And what is the another value which makes it is 0? So x is equal to 3. So p of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. So this will be 9 minus 15 plus 6, which is nothing but 15 minus 15, which is equal to 0. So that's why x is equal to 2 comma 3 are called zeros, are called zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is 0 of the polynomial. So let me see a few more examples. So how can we find the 0 of a polynomial? Let's check here.